Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel, My Lulila. This video is a continuation to our video that was uploaded earlier, What's in Our Fridge Challenge. So we went to ask Dad to buy some groceries. Hopefully this will last for a week. So we bought yogurts, different flavors for the kids, and we also bought flavored water, strawberry flavored for their lunch at school. Over there are cheese, different types of cheese, raisins, nuts, and eggs, chocolates, milk, grapefruit and grapes, another chocolate. This one is cheddar cheese, sliced cheddar cheese, and dates. Dates are my favorite. I'm really glad that everyone in the house doesn't like grapes except me. Smoked ham for their lunch, cream cheese and butter. I'm going to make wraps for their lunch. Broccolis, and I bought a pack of spinach. I repack it and place it into a Ziploc bags. Over here is half a dozen of Yakult and Weetabix. And I bought cucumber, lemon, oranges, over there banana, tomato, and potato. I've already mentioned this in my previous video, so the only items that I bought from here are the ketchup, this coconut water, soya milk, and another bottle of fresh milk. We're going to the freezer. So we bought Magnum, almond, and salted caramel flavor. Which do you want? So we've got here nuggets, spring rolls, cheese sticks, fish fingers, and pigs in blankets. Pigs in blankets, sausage and wrapped with bacon. We've got beef, chicken liver, bacon. Under the bacon, we have pork belly and chicken wings. The bottom part, we've got fries, French fries, and vegetable medley, frozen fruits, and frozen berries. So I hope you like my video. This will be the end of my What's in My Fridge challenge. Someone is eating Magnum.
LJ.